Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best hookah cleaner is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked accessories for any serious hookah enthusiast, ensuring that every session is as fresh and flavorful as the first, preventing the buildup of stale residue and unpleasant odors that can detract from the pure enjoyment of your shisha, making it a crucial investment for maintaining the integrity and performance of your cherished hookah setup. Number 5. Holikme Bottle Brush Cleaning Lab Set. Introducing a comprehensive set of cleaning brushes designed for every need. From narrow tubes to wide decanters, we have you covered. Our extra-long 16-inch brush with wide bristles easily reaches the bottom of tall bottles. It's perfect for cleaning wine, beer bottles, and even hummingbird feeders. The 10-inch sponge brush, made from soft material, is ideal for standard and wide-neck decanters, glass mugs, and sports bottles. It ensures a thorough clean without scratching. With the 14-inch sports bottle brush featuring hard bristles, you can easily remove tough stains. Say goodbye to coffee, tea, and kettle residue with its sturdy handle. The set includes specialized spout and straw brushes, made from food-grade material. They are perfect for detailed cleaning in your kitchen, ensuring no peculiar smell. All brushes are designed for easy hanging and drying. Keep your cleaning tools organized and ready for use. What we like. This set offers an incredible variety of brush sizes and lengths, including an extra-long option perfect for those deep bottles. If you frequently clean various containers like wine bottles, decanters, or even hummingbird feeders, this comprehensive kit will make the task effortless. Its hanging storage feature also keeps your cleaning tools tidy and accessible. What people say. These humble little cleaning tools completely stole the spotlight from the drinkware. Why? Because they actually solve problems like a fine wine or espresso martini. Stainless straws that get mysteriously gross. Fixed. Protein shaker bottles with that permanent gym smoothie residue. Gone. SodaStream bottles. There's a brush for that. Limescale gunk at the base of faucets you've been silently judging for years. Shockingly clean. The variety is excellent, each brush feels purpose-built instead of, we just threw in some extras. They're practical, sturdy, easy to use, and wildly satisfying if you enjoy watching grime surrender without a fight. The Holikme Bottle Brush Tube Cleaning Set is a must-have for cleaning bottles and hard-to-reach areas. The long handles make it easy to reach deep into narrow-neck bottles. Each brush feels sturdy and well-made, with firm yet flexible bristles that scrub thoroughly without scratching. Number 4. Turbo Microfiber Bottle Brush Cleaner Pack. Introducing a comprehensive cleaning kit designed to tackle all your bottle cleaning needs. This set offers a variety of brushes to ensure every item is spotless. Our assortment includes brushes for water bottles, narrow-necked bottles, baby bottles, and even straws. You'll have the perfect tool for any container. These brushes are made with durability in mind. They feature sturdy handles, stiff bristles, and rust-resistant materials, and are even dishwasher safe. No matter your bottle brand, our cleaner works effectively. It's designed to be compatible with popular brands like Hydro Flask, Yeti, and Swell. Beyond just bottles, this BPA-free set is perfect for tumblers, glasses, decanters, and more. It's a versatile tool for various cleaning tasks around your home. We are here to help with any questions or concerns you may have about your purchase. Our dedicated team is ready to assist you. What we like. Designed for durability and ease of use, this set is completely dishwasher safe, saving you time and effort. Its universal compatibility means it works with a wide range of popular bottle brands. If you're looking for a reliable, long-lasting cleaning solution for all your water bottles, tumblers, and even bongs, this is the set for you. What people say. The set has the different lengths and widths to suit every need. They have nice handles and the pricing for the quality was absolutely great. The cleaning power of the smaller, thicker bristled brushes is fantastic. They have just enough flex to get into tight corners but are stiff enough to actually scrub. The 5-pack comes with different sizes and designs that make them suited for various types of containers, not just baby bottles. Whether I'm cleaning a narrow-necked vase or a wide-mouthed water bottle, there's a brush for that. The ergonomic handles also make for a comfortable grip, adding to the overall user-friendly design. Number 3. Hookah Cleaning Kit. Tired of a dirty hookah? Our premium cleaning kit makes maintenance a breeze. Get ready for a cleaner, smoother smoking experience. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need. With multiple brushes and cleaning beads, every part of your hookah will be spotless. Achieve a pristine hookah with ease. Our specialized tools and beads are designed to remove residue and restore its original shine. Invest in the best for your shisha. These high-quality accessories ensure thorough cleaning and longevity for your hookah. Don't let residue ruin your sessions. This kit provides the ultimate solution for keeping your hookah in top condition, every time. What we like. This is the ultimate solution for hookah enthusiasts, providing not just brushes but also stainless steel cleaning beads for a thorough clean. If you're serious about maintaining your shisha pipe and accessories, this premium kit ensures every part is spotless. It's designed for those who prioritize a pristine hookah experience. What people say. Definitely a great kit for cleaning all the hard-to-reach places in my hookahs. Love the long flexible brush and that it comes with cleaning beads and small brushes too. Recommend for any hookah smoker to get all the resin out. The balls do really help clean areas you cannot get with the other cleaning pieces. Really nice kit overall. Ce kit est tout simplement CEK2 les propriétaires de narguiles devraient avoir. Trace complète Illinois contient 500 pearls en acier inoxydable pour le nettoyage du bocal, for brasses type équivalent, comme pour le lavage de biberons, 1 pochette en plastique zippy pour tout ranger etou transporter. Le tout est bien pense, les brasses sont différentes en fonction de parties qu'elles sont supposées nettoyer. Number 2. Hookah Brush Cleaning Set. Introducing our comprehensive cleaning kit, designed to make maintaining your hookah effortless. Keep your equipment in pristine condition with ease. This set is perfect for thoroughly cleaning your hookah vases. Achieve a sparkling finish that enhances your smoking experience. Beyond vases, it's ideal for cleaning various bottles. Ensure all your accessories are hygienically clean and ready for use. Our brushes are built for durability and effectiveness. They reach every corner, removing residue and buildup with minimal effort. This is the ultimate solution for all your hookah cleaning needs. Invest in quality and enjoy a cleaner, better hookah session. What we like. This straightforward brush set is perfect for general cleaning needs, tackling vases, bottles, and more with ease. If you appreciate simplicity and effectiveness for everyday cleaning tasks around the house, this versatile kit will be a great addition to your cleaning arsenal. It's ideal for anyone needing reliable tools for various containers. What people say. Easy to use and does not damage hookah. Perfect cleaning tool for my hookah. Perfect for bong to get the char off. Number 1. 9-piece straw cleaner brush kit for Stanley mugs. Introducing our 9-piece straw cleaner brush kit, designed specifically for your Stanley mugs. Keep your favorite drinkware sparkling clean with ease. This kit includes 3 different sizes of extra-long pipe cleaners. They are perfect for reaching deep into tumblers, sippy cups, bottles, and tubes. Don't limit yourself to just mugs. These versatile brushes are ideal for cleaning a variety of items. Ensure hygiene and a fresh taste every time. Crafted for durability, these brushes are built to last. Enjoy a reliable cleaning tool that effectively removes residue and buildup. Complete your Stanley accessory collection with this essential cleaning kit. It's the perfect way to maintain your drinkware's condition and your peace of mind. What we like. Specifically curated for popular tumbler brands like Stanley, this kit excels at cleaning those hard-to-reach areas. If you own these specific tumblers or need to clean long, narrow pipes and straws, this set's extra-long brushes are a game-changer. It's the perfect choice for targeted cleaning of specialized drinkware. What people say. The bristles in general are sturdy and firm enough to truly scrub rather than just slide across surfaces. These brushes can be bent and manipulated in ways to get into small cracks and crevices. The brushes are flexible so you can insert them easily into the straw. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.